Hey everyone, this is Mitchell Sweets. I'm here because Mr. Trapani, in honor of Earth Day, allowed me to show you guys about solar panels. Not really about them, more about or more a demo of them. I'll be running this little motor, tiny little motor. I will try to run this one because it is fairly sunny out today. Clouds, so it's going in and out of sun. In my windowsill, I have my in case I can't get the motor to run, I'll still show you guys the motor running from my little transformer. Transforms 110 volts from the wall to 18, or let me see, yes, 18 volts AC and 16 volts DC. Don't ask me what that means, I just know how to use it. And try to get both motors running. I don't know that that's very possible. This one's pretty big, needs a lot of energy to run. First off, I will show you this one running before this one goes away. It may be hard to see what I'm doing right now through the camera. It's taking, I don't know if you know Mr. Trapani's lemon video, or lemon battery video. It's taking these mini jumper cables, basically. He used them in that video to connect the nails, I believe it was, through the lemons. Just hooking them up to the motor. A black one and a red one, positive and negative. Let's see. Now, once I hook this black one to the blue wire, then it should start running. But let's see. Yep. I don't know if you can hear it through the video. It's quiet, but put it up against the mic. Now hold it up to the mic until the panel's sped up. You can hear it. I'll do this. It's off now. Going on and off when I do that. Now, I don't think it's going to be able to turn this motor. But before I show you it powering the second motor, if it can, if it doesn't, I can always resort to that. I'm going to show you kind of a few things about how they look. Now, it's two solar panels here, in case you were wondering. Because that's why there are two wires, one from each, right there, right there, right there, right there. Now, they are put together in a very unprofessional manner. Well, I'm using them for testing many things. A few things you guys have heard of, for example, the solar-powered battery charger I made, actually. I will show you guys that later if I can. Same with the motors. I'm going to do a demo on the motors and how electric motors work when we get to magnetism at the end of the year. Basically, the wire is connected to this. It's soldered to a square of wires, these green things on this side, somewhat silver, that silver, which go around and they transfer the energy. It's very hard rather, to explain. So I'll just leave that to Mr. Trapani if he thinks he's able to. I mean, I'm sure he is, of course, but they're held together with this piece of steel, of metal. Let me see if I can go find another one real quick. Okay. Yeah, I found one. One of these. Sorry, tape. One of these. So just a thin piece of metal taped on, holding them together. I just want it to be sturdy. I'd rather have them taped together sturdy than being taped to the windowsill, really. Because I moved between this windowsill and my other one in front. I'd show you, but my room's a little messy. Okay. I'll try to see if we can get the other motor running. Camera up so you can see. I'm just moving the wire out of the way. And if I hang it down straight from the panel, it'll pull the panel down. So I'm just trying to move them out of the way some. Okay, got my two wires here. Whoops. Got the motor. I knocked the metal sheet down. Now, you see the long wires running to the head. The connector, adapter, whatever you want to call it. It was from an airsoft gun originally. This was in where it connected to the battery. I haven't taken it off because I'm going to use it for something else. I'm going to use it for one of my little robots that I'm building. Robots? Yeah, robots. And I need to switch on it still. On, off. When you pulled the trigger, it turned it on. Turning the motor. I'll explain that on my YouTube account. Hooking it up to the motor now. Now, I don't expect, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't expect it to run this motor. It may be bright out, but I don't think that these panels are actually capable of running it. But, we'll see. Okay, my prediction was right. It didn't run the motor, and since I said that I would show you guys the motor running, and put the panels to the side real quick. Hook it up to the motor, and now the motor will be pretty loud. I don't know how it'll sound in the video, if it'll sound distorted or what, but I'll be sure that you hear it. Now, don't be worried. Yeah, it's hooked up, but it's not running. Yeah, don't freak out. But this, I have to turn it on. Okay, would you actually video or switch? Video. Switch. Okay. Now it's running. About as low as it'll go right now. I don't know how well you can hear it. Yeah. Oh, cable fell off right when I'm about to talk. Let's hook it up to this. It's running. I don't know how well you can hear it, but I'm about to turn it up. It's about as low as it goes right there, actually, believe it or not. There we go. And speed it up some. It's about halfway. That's all the way up. And that's off. Ow, crap. That was hot. After the motor being in the sun, number one, and then turning like that, it gets pretty hot. That's kind of how this one doesn't go very fast anymore. I burnt it up a little bit. So that's really it. I'll show you guys later if I can about the battery charger, or just on my YouTube account. I'm actually making a new YouTube account. So, I'll tell you guys the address later, or the name of the account, if I'm allowed to. That's why I'm not saying it now, I don't want to get in trouble. Well, see you guys in class. Bye.